yesterday, a child came out to wonder.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Victoria. My name is Megan. I'm a pro hair makeup artist. Today has nothing to do with hair or makeup or any of that. So it is quarantine. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are taking care of yourself, whatever that looks like for you, whether it's being productive, whether it's not. It doesn't matter. Just know that it is a really tough time for everyone. Everyone's coping and dealing differently, and neither is good or worse or bad or whatever. It's just, it is what it is. So with that said though, I have definitely been the type who's been going a little insane on the projects. I think it's mostly because I'm bored, I'm ADHD, and I need lots of things to do always to stay somewhat sane. So I've been moving my furniture around like crazy. I have been painting things. I have been constructing things. I literally painted my windowsill the other day. I was like, you know what, that white could look whiter. And it's not because I have like OCD tendencies or like perfectionism tendencies. It's just I'm bored and I want things to do. So with that said, I moved my room around for the 30th millionth time probably this week. Not kidding you. In 2 weeks my bed has been on every wall in this room. It's ridiculous. I don't know what my problem is, but yeah, I love moving furniture, I love decorating, I love doing things. There's always projects I want to do, there's always a little bit more, there's always things I want to change, and it'll probably be different in a week from now, but alas, here we are. This is actually the living room in my apartment. 2 years ago, I switched it because I really wanted to like wake up with the sun. I felt like I was getting really depressed just being in a bedroom that had no light because I face like a main street in Toronto, so that's like really awesome. So in this room, there's so much light, so I get to wake up with the sun, which makes me just so joyful, and it just totally, oh, it starts my day on such a good note. So this room is fairly large. It's actually ridiculously large, especially for Toronto. If you have any questions about my place, apartment, or whatever, you can leave them down below. Without further ado, let us get started. So the first thing, you walk in and you see this little dresser situation. So I'm just gonna give you a quick little pan. So it's actually two pieces of furniture stacked on top of each other. The first piece, like the bottom piece and the actual dresser, is from my childhood, and the top piece is from Goodwill. I got it like a few years ago. It was like 20 bucks and I was like, hella score. This week I actually painted both of those pieces and they look so nice now. The bottom dresser had like broken mirrors on it. It had mirror glue. It was a disaster. So I sanded it, made it super cute, and I'm just so happy with how it came out. And then I stacked them on top of each other, and I just think it gives like such a really nice like look and finish to the space. I've decorated with some shoes, some purses, a bunch of perfume, jewelry, you know, kept it fairly minimal, and yeah, I'm just like thrilled how it came off. And then I also keep my bag and my vlog camera that's not working, hence why we're doing this like kind of awkward situation, because I have to shoot this entire video with a zoom lens. So, or not a zoom lens, a super close-up lens, and so I'm like, you know, 20 feet back, which, you know, we're making it work. So that is that little situation. So let's do a little pan. I feel like this is so interactive. And okay, so here we are at the little bed section. So I have a very basic IKEA bed, which is from like Facebook Marketplace, and I got it for like 50 bucks. So major score there. The bedding is from Bouclair, actually. I think it was like on sale, and it was just, it's like a white duvet, but it's kind of called coffee cream. Pillows are home sense, like, you know, literally everything in my life, and so is the little throw blanket. I love this throw blanket. It's so freaking cute. So the bedside table was a Value Village find. That was basically what started this whole painting world, was I found the tables for $7 at Value Village. I was like, hella score, but they were like cherry wood. So I sanded those, I painted those, did that whole thing. Just on top of the nightstands, an IKEA light. We got a little candle, the lantern. I have my coconut oil because you always need coconut oil by your bedside. And then we have the lovely mannequin. I got this mannequin off like Kijiji or eBay. Like one of those meetup sites. It was like a long time ago. And she's just wearing one of my Licenza robes with a beautiful necklace that I got in Nova Scotia. So that is the little bed area. Lovely. All right, let's continue our tour. Pan. Hello, Google Home. We have really old, ugly things because we live in a place that's like 150 years old. And now we get to the next section. So let's refresh. Okay, so we're gonna start on the walls. So that little deer thing is from the dollar store and I spray painted it and made it cute. The painting is from the dollar store. And then we have a little wall decal that is from eBay from a million years ago. It's the Audrey Hepburn eyes. If we slide down, you're gonna kind of get my little altar section. So right behind there I have all my crystals, a little plant, all my, you know, different elements that I have, and then all my tarot cards hanging out, and I don't know, they may move, but that's just where they are right now. I brought a bunch of stuff into the bath last night, so that's kind of all moved. And then we have this little tray that I've just set across this table. It's just like a little wire side table thing. My parents had it and I just kind of took it, and then, you know, there's different like salt lamps and candles and crystals and journals and plants and all those fun things. And then I have my little smart diffuser, which is actually fantastic. So it's a little essential oil diffuser, but then you put like, you can have a light to it, so it can be a pretty light all the time, which I like because I get to wake up to like a rose gold night light. So quite enjoy that. And then I have more tarot books and things like that down there. So then we're gonna swing on over to the little section. It was looking cute with the whole couch situation, but Mela is now sleeping, so that's gonna be a thing. Alright, so now we have my little couch section. So I pretty much have coffee here every single morning and it is lovely. So the couch itself is from Facebook Marketplace. Just picked up 2 of them. The other one's actually in my office and I'm still making over my office like I'm making over my life always anyway. And then the throw blanket is HomeSense and the pillows are HomeSense or Winners. The one you see like that one, yeah. That one's actually an outdoor cushion, but I love it, and I think it has that like nice linen-y kind of fabric and look to it. So I think it's actually perfect for the space and gives that really nice like boho vibe. And then if we just like swing down, we have my lovely ottoman. Okay, so I absolutely adore this ottoman. I basically have to show you with the pole in the way. The pole is in the way of literally everything all the time. It's so annoying, but you know, we need our poles, so what can you do? This ottoman is also from Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is honestly so fantastic. So I got that ottoman from Facebook Marketplace just from some family who wanted to get rid of it. You can save so much money by doing that. The tray on top, I'm obsessed with this tray, is HomeSense, and then the candle is HomeSense, and the candle is going crazy. Gotta deal with that. And then the little rug underneath is Marshall's. Basically, HomeSense, Winners, Marshall's, Valley Village, and Goodwill is where pretty much everything in this place is from, sometimes IKEA. So speaking of IKEA though, if we go my long mirror here is definitely just a quick little IKEA find. Then I just have a little plant and a little basket, and those are from HomeSense. And then Mela's bed and her toy. And then we can swing over to the fireplace. So the fireplace is one of my favorite things in this entire place. The fireplace just has so much character, and it's just such a cool feature of this apartment, which I absolutely love. I used to have it kind of set up more like an altar with like all my crystals and tarot cards there, but now I've just kind of simplified it by just putting a few light candles, and I love to like light them up, sit there and meditate, and it just feels very witchy and very fun, and I quite enjoy. And I just love that little fireplace area. And then of course if you just go up above, we have just a basic mirror and some plants just to keep it nice and simple and also symmetrical. Love some symmetry. Okay, so definitely not the cutest section, but this is basically just a quick little pan of my clothing area. So these are all my like sweaters and hoodies and just like really comfy clothes, t-shirts, like basically anything made of cotton and that's fuzzy and cute. It's fantastic. So the closet system is IKEA, but I'll go more into it when I show you the other part of the closet system, because you know this is kind of the ugly section of the room, and then I like threw some whatever things I'm storing. So yeah, we're just gonna skip over that. So I kind of stole the TV from my living room and I brought it in here. Also it's quarantine, so it's kind of cute having the couch and you know a little TV situation, so that's really cute. I don't know if it's gonna stay, but you know, it's here for now. And then this little piece I also found at Valley Village. This was also $7, like hello, such a steal. I was gonna paint it and then I ran out of paint, and I also don't know if I'm gonna keep it here. So that's kind of just chilling there. And then of course we have the pole, but let's talk the closet, because the closet's super cute and I really like it. Okay, so this is the closet section. Now in the actual closet, I pretty much just keep storage things and ugly things. Also really bright, colorful clothing, because it totally does not go with the neutral vibes that I love. So this is the closet system. It is just a basic like build your own IKEA situation. On the right hand side where I have all the like little shelvy shelves, on the top it's just like bodysuits, and then we go into jeans, we go into pants. Then I have one of my favorite bags because it's so cute and she's from Winners, and then shorts at the bottom because I decided that it is short season and it needs to be. So that is kind of how that's set up. And then what I've done is just kind of I'm not gonna say a capsule wardrobe, but I put like my most worn pieces or like pieces that are really easy to create an outfit with on the top right section, right there, these, and then kind of whatever else is over here. I had it before where I had these pieces but in light colors, and I had all my black kind of clothing on the other section of the closet, but I actually really like how the black kind of integrates into the closet system, and I think it just looks like really cute, and I just like really like this closet. I love staring at your clothes, and it kind of feels like you have a boutique in your house that you can shop at, and that always just feels really fun. So yeah. And if we continue our pan, you find the door, and then we're leaving because I guess we're done, so yay. I hope you enjoyed. I had so much fun filming this video, and everything's clean and lovely and it's awesome. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see any other videos down below, and I'll see you in my next one. All right, bye. Mwah.